Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today we have a brand new 2024 Model 3 Highland, and I have a brand new accessory to share with you. The Model 3 Highland, as you know, is a complete refresh from Tesla, and it absolutely looks great. And they've changed, the front end, they've changed the interior, and they've changed the wheels. And when you buy a Model 3 Highland, it actually comes with 18-inch wheels, just like the previous Model 3, with Aero covers. Now, those Aero covers are okay looking, but they're not great, right? And that's why T-Sportline sells Model 3 wheels every single day around the world. And while we have a lot of beautiful options, some of you might be looking for an Aero cover or a less expensive, a more affordable, quick, easy solution that you could do yourself. So, getting back to the wheels, when you take the factory Aero covers off, this is what it looks like. And it's unfinished. There are no lug nut covers. There are no center caps. Not a good look. And while we do have a solution for that, that's a pretty good look if you like the style of this wheel. But now let's go on to the driver's side. On the driver's side, we have already replaced the factory Aero covers with our brand new Directional Aero covers. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? Finished in satin black, which matches all the trim that used to be chrome on a Model 3. That's satin black now. They are directional, so there's a right side and a left side that comes in the set. And they're really easy to install, which I'm going to show you in a moment, and they're quite affordable. Now, this has been a wonderful accessory for previous Model 3 owners, and now for the Highland, a brand new directional solution. So I'd love to hear some comments below about what do you think about Aero covers versus actual changing out the whole wheel, and what do you think about this particular finish? Now let's go back to the passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what these Aero covers look like on the back side, what's involved with installation, and just how easy it is for you to do it. So this is what the Aero covers look like. Now, when you receive them from T-Sportline, these center caps right here that are blank actually get installed with some double-sided tape. Really easy, peel and stick, simple. You can go ahead and apply or purchase some Tesla logos and some stickers and some individual things online. There's plenty of that if you wish to customize this area. We actually prefer to keep it really muted and clean, very similar to the way Tesla does it. They are finished in satin black. Let's talk about the backside. So the backside looks just like this, and as you can see, here's a really nice touch. You see this thin piece of foam on the outer edge? Well, that comes in a roll, and you actually apply that yourself by peeling and sticking before you install the Aero cover. The reason for that is twofold. Number one, provides a much more of a secure installation onto the factory Tesla wheel. Also helps prevent any type of vibration, any type of rubbing, or any type of scuffing possibly that could happen to the factory Tesla wheel when using Aero covers. Now let me show you how easy it is to install. Simple. Notice the notch right here inside in between two of the spokes for the valve stem. So that's your starting point. So we've identified that the valve stem is right here. We're going to go ahead and line this up perfectly with the valve stem, like so, and just go ahead and done. Easy. Snap it in, tap it a little bit, it's on. And when you wish to remove it, all you have to do is grab it and pull. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you love our content and would like to see some more of it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.